Is this a real fruit, or is it a hidden masterpiece? Welcome to the ultimate orange tiramisu.
Forget the coffee. We're soaking our ladyfingers in pure, zesty liquid gold. Whip that mascarpone with fresh zest for a cream that's light, airy, and bursting with sunshine. Add a secret citrus core for that explosive flavor surprise in every single bite. Layer it, lock it, and freeze it. We need this solid for the magic transformation. Now for the skin. Dip it in orange-tinted white chocolate for that signature bumpy peel texture. Add a leaf, a stem, and nobody will ever know the difference. It's all in the details. The moment of truth. Pure, creamy citrus tiramisu bliss. It's a game changer. If you love this citrus twist, hit that like button, subscribe for more edible art, and share this with a dessert lover.